one piece of career advice you wish someone had given you when you were first starting out?
This is a very interesting question. I think one thing that I would like someone to have given me before was just go with what you like to do the most. Choose something that you would love to go and do it every single day, and that's going to inspire you to wake up and do. Having said that, I think this is not the only thing. We need to be realistic. Sometimes you just like to do something, but in the future you would think that this is not going to make you any money. It's not going to support your family, maybe. So that is also something that we need to have in mind. I think my journey being in IT was just so random. I always wanted to be a dentist, but it didn't happen. I don't regret it. I love it, and I very much like what I'm doing. But one thing that I just want to say is just speak up. That's something that I didn't do for a long time, and I wish someone would have told me that, hey, just talk about whatever that you have in mind. If you've got an idea, it doesn't matter if you're a grad or you're a junior person in the team. Just talk about it. If you've got an idea, if you are seeing an issue, if you've got a comment, if you've got something that you think that is going to make the workplace a better place, just say it. And currently we're talking about diversity and inclusion, and that's exactly what we're talking about. It means that anyone in the team should have a say. Anyone in a team should be able to express their ideas. And we've seen lots of places that great ideas are coming from junior people. So just don't be shy. Talk about your ideas, talk about the stuff that you have in mind, and speak up and make your work a place that you would love to work, instead of saying that, should I go to work again, another day again? Yeah, just do that. That's something that I should have done.
Can you share a pivotal moment in your career journey that made a significant impact?
Definitely. I have been in one of the workplaces for a long time, and when I accepted the role, it was a bit of a downgrade for myself because it was a big company, it was a very well known, and I was thinking that I'm definitely going to grow there, which was exactly the same thing. I grew so much there. I learned a lot in that company, but then it passed a long time and I was in the same position. I was just talking to one of the senior colleagues and they told me that no one is going to give you if you don't ask for it. I think now that I'm in this position, I completely understand what they were talking about. It doesn't mean that you have to ask for your salary raise or your position, but then it means that you need to show interest, that I am ready or I am willing to take that next step, which I didn't do it. And when I heard that, I was thinking, yes, this is something that I'm lacking. I never asked that, hey, I am ready to go to that next step. I'm ready to take more challenges. I'm ready to become the senior developer. I never showed that interest. I was hard working, and that was exactly what my manager was always talking to me. But did I show that I want to take that next level? I didn't. So that was exactly the pivotal moment that showed me that, yes, that is the truth, that I need to show that interest, express my feeling, and then of course work for it. It doesn't have to be like, yeah, I just want to be that next level, but I'm not working on it, and I have to do that. So what I did at that moment was study more and make myself more familiar with, at that moment, microservices, and applied for another job, more senior role, and got the job. I grew in that company as well, applied for another job after a while, and became a tech lead and a team lead, tech lead, and now engineer manager. And I learned that, of course, working hard is very important, but also you need to talk to your manager about your next step, the path that you want to take, the next goal that you want to achieve. And I'm pretty sure that a good manager in a good company definitely will help you, and they will pave the path for you to achieve that goal, or at least to walk towards that goal.
How do you approach challenges and setbacks in your professional life, and what's your go-to strategy for overcoming them?
One thing that I definitely learned during these long years of working in IT industry is you need to embrace the challenges and learn from the setbacks and failures. Surely you don't want to fail, and you shouldn't think that, okay, this is an alternative. You will work out, you will do your best to achieve the goal that you are setting. But on the other side, that's fine if you are failing. It's fine that you are facing the setbacks. One thing that we definitely need to know is learning about that failures. If I fail today, it doesn't mean that I am a step backward. I have definitely moved one step forward, because I know that at least one of the alternatives to achieve that goal is eliminated. So I have to go with another alternative. That's one thing. The other thing is I definitely need to take the responsibility of the challenge. When I'm saying the embrace challenge, it needs to come out of my comfort zone. It needs to work harder. It needs to have or put more time and effort to be able to overcome that challenge, and also ask for help whenever that I think that, okay, I don't know what else I can do. I will definitely go to someone that I observed and saw that they have been doing the same thing, and successful or not, at least they are one step forward than myself. So I'll ask for help. Having a mentor, I think it's a good thing as well, if it's possible. So I definitely, I myself don't have. I'm looking for one. So if you know someone, I definitely would love to be in touch. But if you can have a mentor, that's also great. And also embrace the opportunities. It doesn't have to be something that is that you are looking for. If, for example, you came to me and say, hey, do you want to be in this podcast? It is definitely coming out of, it is bringing me out of my comfort zone. I need to spend some time to be prepared, to at least think. And you don't need to be the perfect person. You don't need to be the subject matter expert. You just need to try, learn, and try again. And I'm pretty sure that after a couple of times, you will be really good at it. So I don't see the setbacks or failures as a negative thing. It's definitely a positive attitude, a positive, and I'm just embracing it with a positive attitude, thinking that I'm just definitely going to challenge myself and overcome that issue.